Hi everyone, welcome to Nas Kitchen once again. We're here with a quick refresher dupe. It's a Starbucks refresher dupe. So let's get started. For my ingredients, I have 3 cups of strawberry lemonade, and I have 3 cups of ice right here. I have about 4 strawberries cut up. You can use more if you choose. And I have 3 tablespoons of grenadine right here. So let's just get into it. Okay, so to get started, I have my 3 cups of ice. I would go in next with my strawberry lemonade. Next, I would pour in my grenadine. And then put in my strawberries. And stir. That's it, guys. This is it. So simple, yet very refreshing. And it tastes exactly like the Starbucks strawberry lemonade. So yeah, here we have it. Okay friends, so here we have it, Starbucks refresher strawberry lemonade dupe. I hope you're inspired to try it. If you do, let me know how it turned out. Leave me a comment in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Thank you so much, and see you again in my next video.